So today our lesson is about animal reproduction. In the previous lesson, we talked about the plant's reproduction. We said that the plants start making new seeds as they reproduce. In today's lesson, we will study about the way the animals reproduce, different ways to protect the eggs, and how animals raise their young. So first of all, the way the animals reproduce. Animals reproduction, actually all the animals, most animals, they start their lives as an egg. So all the kinds, mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, amphibians, all of them, they start with an egg. But the difference that some animals lay their eggs outside their bodies, as you see in this picture, the eggs are outside the body, while other animals develop eggs inside their bodies, or we can say inside the mother's bodies. So let's see the eggs outside the body. There are many examples for animals that lay their eggs outside, like reptiles, birds, insects. So some animals lay very small eggs, like the butterfly. As you see, they are very small eggs. They lay them on the leaves, while others, they lay large eggs. Like the ostrich lays the largest egg among the bird's eggs. It has the largest eggs. So some eggs are small, other eggs are big or large. The young animal grows inside the egg. So there is a tiny or small animal inside the egg, and sure, there is also stored food inside the egg. So this tiny animal starts eating this food, then it grows, and when the egg hatches, when the young animal is ready to go out, when it's the right size to go out. Now the eggs inside the body. Many animals, they develop the eggs inside the mother's bodies, like bears, dogs, cats, lions, tigers. So as you see, all of these animals, they belong to the same group. Yes, they belong to the mammals group. So for most mammals, the egg is inside the mother's body. So the egg starts developing into a young animal. When the young animal is the right size, when it becomes the right size, then it is born. Some young animals, they will stay for a month, 4 months, or a year. It depends on the kind of an animal. For people, they stay for 9 months inside the mother's body. Now, different ways to protect the eggs. The eggs that are inside the mother's body, they are already protected by, because they are inside. But the eggs that are outside the body, let's see how can they be protected. For the bird's eggs, they have a hard covering, or we call it a hard shell, to protect the young birds inside. As you see, those are different eggs for different birds, and all of them have hard shells to protect the young animals inside them, the young birds. While the fish, they have soft eggs. They don't have a hard shell. They don't have an outer covering like the birds. So they will be easy to be destroyed. So how can they be protected? Some fish, as you see in this picture, they carry their eggs inside their mouth. They carry them inside their mouth, as you see in this picture. So the fish carries the eggs inside its mouth to protect the eggs. Can be for the father or for the mother, for the male or for the female. They could do this. And the eggs will stay inside its parent's mouth until they hatch. And during this time, the fish will not eat. The parent will not eat while the eggs are inside its mouth. Now, how animals raise their young. We mean here by raise if they take care of their young or not. So as you see in this picture, always the young elephants, they stay with their parents. So that means the elephants, they take care of their young uh, until they will be or until they grow enough, then they can take care of themselves. So young elephants stay with their parents after they are born, and they leave their parents when they can take care of themselves, while when they can find their own food, when they can protect themselves, so then they will leave their parents. Other animals do not stay with their young at all, like snakes, turtles, crocodiles, fish. They will leave their young and just go away. As we said, most fish lay their eggs and then leave them, even if they are protecting them inside their mouths. After they hatch, they will leave them and go away, so they don't raise their young. So the young fish must take care of themselves. So this is our lesson for today.